Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the TOMZON P5G. It's like the clash of the titans, but with more propellers and fewer Greek gods. Buckle up, because we're diving into the nitty-gritty of these flying machines. Let's see which one is worth your dough. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Ruko U11S comes in at a cool $283. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is a more wallet-friendly $159. So if you're saving up for a PS5, TOMZON might be your new best friend. But remember, folks, you get what you pay for. Or do you? Let's find out. Next, let's talk cameras. Both these drones flaunt a 4K UHD camera. The Ruko U11S has a 90 degrees adjustable camera, so you can capture Aunt Karen's backyard barbecue from every unflattering angle. TOMZON P5G also boasts a 90 degrees adjustable camera, but with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Perfect for showing off your epic fail while trying to skateboard. Reviews for the Ruko U11S highlight its clear video and stills, even. On the other hand, TOMZON P5G users are impressed by the image and video quality, despite some initial syncing issues. So if you're into panoramic views and wide-angle selfies, TOMZON might just edge out Ruko here. Let's talk flight time. Ruko U11S gives you 20 minutes per battery, and with an extra battery, that's 40 minutes of sky-high fun. TOMZON P5G isn't far behind with 36 minutes from its 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone does all the work. Reviewers love the Ruko U11S for its long-lasting battery life, while TOMZON P5G users appreciate the decent flight time for its price. So whether you're a marathon flyer or just want to impress friends at a picnic, both drones have you covered. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. Ruko U11S is basically the drone equivalent of a My First Drone kit. It's got 1 key functions and a transmitter that's as easy to charge as your phone. TOMZON P5G, on the other hand, comes with beginner mode, headless mode, and a bunch of other modes that sound like they belong in a video game. Reviews for the Ruko U11S praise its ease of control and responsiveness, making it great for beginners. TOMZON P5G users also find it easy to get started, although some faced initial syncing issues. So if you can handle a PlayStation controller, you can handle the TOMZON. But if you're more of a let's keep it simple kind of person, Ruko's got your back. Last but not least, portability. The Ruko U11S folds up smaller than a cheap deck chair and is as light as your phone. TOMZON P5G comes with a waterproof carrying case. So if you're planning to hike up a mountain or just want to look cool at a pool party, TOMZON might be the way to go. Reviewers appreciate the compact design and foldability of the Ruko U11S, while TOMZON P5G users love the convenience of its carrying case. So whether you're traveling light or planning a full-blown drone expedition, both drones have their perks. Overall, the Ruko U11S is praised for its ease of use, clear camera quality, and long-lasting battery life. It's a solid choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G stands out for its affordability, wide-angle camera, and convenient carrying case, although some users faced initial syncing issues. Both drones offer great value for their respective price points. So what's the verdict? If you're budget conscious and love a good wide-angle shot, go for the TOMZON P5G. But if you want a bit more flight time and an entry-level drone that's easy as pie, the Ruko U11S is your guy. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. Let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying and smarter buying.